If working with MongoDB data feels messy to you, here is a simple way to explore it with VisuaLeaf. Let's connect to the server and take a look. I'll open the payments collection first. I'm starting with Review because it's the easiest way to see what's inside. I can expand fields, check nested values, and understand the structure quickly. Then I can switch to Table View. This makes it easier to scan the data, compare documents, and spot patterns across the collection. If I want to find something specific, I can search for it here. For example, let's look for those with an active status. VisuaLeaf highlights the matching results right away, so I can spot them instantly. And if I need to change something, I can edit the data directly here. Now, if I want to filter the collection more precisely, I can open the Query Builder. Here, I can drag and drop the fields I want, set the conditions, and build the filter step by step. For example, I'll keep only the documents where currency is USD and status is completed. I can also choose exactly which fields I want to see in the results, so I'm not looking at unnecessary data. Once the filter is ready, I can see the MongoDB query behind it. So I'm not just building it visually, I can also understand the actual query it generates. Now that we understand the data, we can also write the query manually, either in Mongo Shell or in SQL. In MongoDB, it looks like this. And if you prefer SQL, we can write the same thing like this. Both give me the same result, just a different way of writing it. So I don't start with code. I explore the data first, filter it, and then write the query the way I want. If you want to try this yourself, you can download VisuaLeaf for free and explore your own data the same way.